Why my child keeps repeating whatever I say? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst, and a special educator. This problem, many of our parents keep asking that whatever we say, my child keeps repeating it. If I question what is your name, he will say what is your name. If I ask what is the color of the sun, he will say what is the color of the sun. Basically, he keeps repeating. This phenomena is called as echolalia. Echolalia can be during the time of, repeating immediately whenever you say something, or it can be a delayed echolalia. That means he would have listened to something 2 days back and then he keeps on repeating it for the next 5 days or intermittently whenever he wants to. This echolalia is one of the features very commonly seen in autism spectrum disorder. Now, first of all, we need to understand why echolalia happens, and second, what are the interventions to reduce them. If the child is repeating the question, that means immediate echolalia. I ask him a question, he repeats the question. You should notice a pattern. He will repeat only the questions where he doesn't know the answers well. If he knows the answer for that question, he won't repeat it. That means, suppose you ask him, what is this? He will answer nose. But if I ask, what do you do with your nose? He will say, what do you do with your nose? Means, if I ask directly what is the name of this thing, he will answer. But when I ask something that he has to answer from his memory, he will repeat the question. This clearly shows that the skill of answering through memory is still not there with the child. And that's why he is either not confident about the answer or he doesn't know the answer. If these are the two reasons, he will try repeating the question again. Now imagine why. Suppose you go to a place like a wedding and you have a friend sitting next to you and he asks, who is that person? I have seen that person. What is his name? And you are not remembering the name. What you will say? What is his name? What is his name? You will try to remember inside by asking, what is his name? What is his name? The same thing the child does, but instead of telling inside his brain or inertly, he will say it overtly. He will keep repeating the question. So it's just the way to tell that I don't know the answer or I'm not confident about the answer. This means you have to teach that skill to the child to answer from memory. Once he learns that skills, this echolalia will reduce by itself. The second type of echolalia is delayed echolalia. This type of echolalia is usually seen in kids who just start speaking a bit or they want to speak but they don't know what to speak. These kids will have this delayed echolalia. They want to communicate, they want to talk, but they don't know what to talk. They don't know to request, they don't know to grab attention of person. They don't know what are the exact words to be spoken during this time. So they keep repeating whatever they have learned or whatever they have heard. And these type of kids, again, the first important thing is you have to teach the language skills. Once the child starts developing the language skill, as and when he develops those language skills, this echolalia will start reducing by itself. Second, you need to teach the child the right way of gaining attention. Mama, look here. Mama, come here. Mama, see what I am doing. If you teach such type of skills to the child to speak, this echolalia will start reducing. If nothing is working out and the skills are taking time to learn, there are few medications that can be given to reduce these echolalia. Thank you.